All right, so what do we got going on here? Because I can't explain it to anybody.
All right, so one of our customers, Tim, dropped off this nice frame. It's a Art Morrison built frame.
Okay.
So it comes out of the States, California, really nice quality. I mean, look at the welds on it, right? So basically, he's got this for his 55 Chev pickup, and he's got a nice big blower motor to put in it. It's a small block, dart block, 400 cubic inch, he said, 671 sitting on top. He was estimating 12 to 1500 horse.
Wow, on the street he's saying too.
Yeah. Look at the tires.
Yeah. And did he not say he's putting tires on that are an inch wider still?
Yeah, half an inch wider.
Half an inch wider.
These are bias ply. He's going to put radials on it.
Okay.
So it's a full rack. It's got Willwood brakes all around.
Yeah, and what would you say? This is almost like a, wow.
It's like similar to like a Mustang 2
I was going to say, yeah, Mustang 2 kind of style, right? And what about this diff? What's this diff? What's all this going on?
Strange 9-inch. It's been all modified to fit in the frame and shortened, I would assume. He said he's got strange axles in there as well. There's a nice little 4-link setup. He actually just dropped off the coilover suspension for it today.
Okay.
We'll try and get that in sometime.
Wow.
Yeah, it's going to be quite the project.
Yeah, that's
Power Alley here right now.
Power Alley, yeah, because what do you got going on in the background? I know it's a 66 Acadian.
66 Acadian, cancel, I guess. Zach's car. It's quite a different build for us, right? It's more pro touring.
Yeah.
It's got 19 by 11 or 12 rear wheels.
Okay.
325 wide tires, so there's like 2 feet of rubber on the ground there.
All right.
Full TCI undercarriage.
Oh.
So it's got a torque arm, a 9-inch in this one as well. He's estimating it to be around 800 horse at the wheels.
So, and what do we got? Let's take a look at this. So
yeah, under the hood, it's a started off its life as a 6-liter LS-based engine. He had basically ordered a full kit from Brian Tooley to make it a 408 stroker.
Okay. And what's this horsepower again?
He's hoping 800 at the wheels.
800.
He told me the other day he ordered the smallest pulley he could find.
Yeah.
So that should, I think he's hoping for 18 pounds of boost.
Holy shit, okay.
The blower is 2.8 liter.
Wow.
It's made by Kenny Bell. He's got a full Holley Terminator management system in there.
Jesus.
Long tubes, all the goodies.
For the first time ever, I'm speechless on YouTube. This is the way it's going now. See, Chris is in here, guys. See?
Yeah.
This is good. The younger generation is teaching the old generation, myself, what about this stuff, because I haven't got a clue.
Well, this is the way everybody wants to build stuff nowadays, at least for muscle cars, right?
It is, isn't it?
That pro touring build is a big thing.
It is. Yeah, it's coming in big time now.
This one, the truck's kind of neat because it's almost like an old school build, right? Like
yeah.
80s, late 70s.
Yeah. No, this is very good. Yeah, and that's obviously, there's a truck cab right there that's going to be going on. It's a 56, so that's what we know is going to be going up on there.
You'll probably see all the fancy suspension under here. If you
Let's get down here.
You can see the torque arm and the 4-link back there. He's got Mustang 2 up front.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's incredible.
Oh yeah, it's a full built engine. The transmission's got a good shift kit in it. It's all computer controlled nowadays.
What is this thing hanging underneath the floorboard way down here with the wires hanging off it?
Oh, that's the transmission cooler.
Is that like on a fan built in it?
Yeah, we put a fan on it just because
Holy.
It doesn't always get airflow.
Wow.
And he's got a heat exchanger up here for the supercharger because it's all liquid cooled. So
okay.
There's 2 more fans there, another big one on the rad.
And this in this car here also, this was all paint and body by Jared also too?
Yeah, Jared did all the paint and body on this one.
Wow, you're doing all the wiring, all the mechanical?
All the wiring and mechanical, yeah. I did a bunch of it before it came here, but he wants it done soon, so.
Yeah. That's
we're working on it.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yeah, we had to mount the tranny cooler under there because there's no room up front. And he's planning later on to put air conditioning on it as well.
Oh really? Okay.
But right now he just wants to get it done and drivable.
That's crazy. Well, there we go, guys. I guess that's what's going on here in the shop. Chris is taking over. 2 cars in here he's taking over now. There's no room left for me.
Might have to call it New Time Garage.
New Time Garage. Oh my God. The subscribers didn't hear that.
No.
But it is the way it's going.
Oh yeah.
Newer engines are just in now. It's hard to find small block Chevs or Fords or whatever now. Everyone's going the new stuff, right?
Yeah, we're still keeping the old stuff alive.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're not going to change who we are. I mean, well, you've always been into the newer stuff.
Yeah.
You know, you're into this, and I'm learning from it, and it's all good. I appreciate it. At the end of the day, I appreciate anything that's car related.
Yeah.
You have to. you know?
Like, you can't beat the drivability of the new drivetrain.
Yeah, no, that's beautiful. Okay guys, well I guess we'll sign off here. You've seen what's going on, so there you go. So that's it. Remember, it's always good time at old time, and we'll see you next time.